Have you ever wondered if your 3D printer could really make custom 3D printed shoes at home? The future may be a lot closer than you think, from custom resin colors to custom fits to actually really advanced lattice structures. eSun is changing the way we think about sneaker production. If you ever dreamed about designing your own footwear, especially 3D printing it, this is the video for you. I am Brian DeLuca, and this is Make or Build It, where we turn ideas into projects. Now let's look at the future of footwear. I'm Brian DeLuca. I am here at Rapid TCT with Johnson at the eSun booth, and we're looking at resins that could print sneakers right now. Johnson, can you tell us about these resins?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is our new product of the single component resin, and this one is the foaming and the multicolor resin.
Okay.
Yeah, and based on the single component resin, it's more convenient for the manufacturing.
Okay.
So based on this, we provide shoe solutions with the single component resin.
Okay.
So
this comes in various different colors and different types of resin?
So the color is inside the resin.
Okay.
So we are the only one in the world that have this technology to get the color with the resin and also the foaming.
Okay.
Yeah, we are the first one in the world.
Wow, very cool. Yeah. Very cool. And now you had some other stuff you wanted to show.
The different type is what we're working with the different designers. Shoe designers.
Okay.
So right now we cooperate with over 100 designers.
Okay.
And have over 1,000 different type of shoes. Yeah.
Okay. And now, how are the resins being used with these? Just in the bottom and the sole?
Yeah. We call it the outsole, 3D printed outsole.
Okay.
This part you can make it breathable of the outsole, so it's more comfortable, and then also can be lighter with the lattice structure with this.
Now, are there different types of resin? I know some of these over here. Are there different types, or just the structures change the density?
Yes. The different lattice structure have different hardness. Yeah. And we also have 4 or 5 different kind of hardness of material. Okay. So we catch in different hardness with the structure or the materials.
So what's the hardness range from?
For sure, 85A to 55A.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a decent range.
Yeah. It's a range.
Depending on, I guess, the designer and how they want their
Yeah. And what's more is this based on the users needed, based on different weights. Or different problem of the foot, like pain point.
So so they're not even just able to customize it by the material, right? And their design. They're able to customize it for each individual wearer of the shoes based on their weight and their size.
Okay. Yeah. So the customize for us, it can be 3 different types. Okay. The first is the appearance, the outlook of different size. Okay. That we cooperate with the different designers. Yeah. The second is the size. Okay. Based on the foot size. Yeah. The third is the functional customize. Okay. That we work with the podiatrist. Okay. And based on the data of the customer, we design the different function of the shoes
themselves.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually really cool. So it's customized for each user, especially if they have, like you said, like a podiatrist, or they have some sort of problem, it can be adjusted.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I heard you have a printer here.
Yeah.
Can we look at that?
Yeah. This one is the LCD printer. It can print 3 shoes and same time in 3 hours.
Wow.
Just for printing.
Now, did you guys mainly design this to just print shoes? Is this the main focus of this, or?
Yeah. Actually, this solution can enable the designers make their own shoes in their home. Okay. So, yeah.
And it looks like it has a pretty big reservoir, so you can print is this designed for a single pair of shoes in here?
Yeah,
Right.
this one can print 3 shoes, 1.5 pairs. And
Okay, 1.5 pairs.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many, how much resin does this hold?
2 kilograms per day.
Kilograms?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So this one is what we are doing right now. Is cooperate with the designers
Okay.
because we are building up a platform. This one is what we are planning to cooperate with the designers
Okay.
because right now we have the platform
Okay.
ecosystem called Lattice,
Okay.
where we want to cooperate with different designers to set up different designs of shoes
I gotcha.
and upload to the website,
Okay.
and we can manufacture for them.
Oh wow! So if you want to design shoes, this is what you need to do.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. If you're into 3D printing and designing shoes, you probably want to start here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, Johnson, thank you for your
Thank
time.
you.
It was a pleasure
Thank you.
today.
Thank you.
I have to say, seeing sneakers actually go from a digital design to actually resin 3D printing footwear was pretty incredible. The ability to customize just not the look of the shoes, but also the comfort, flexibility, and support, and even tailor to a specific person's foot. Now, this is something that traditional manufacturing can't even match the customization for the individual. And honestly, if resin 3D printing your shoes keeps advancing the way it is, this is going to become as commonplace as 3D printing a cosplay prop or maybe a tool for your workshop. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and would you wear a fully 3D printed custom pair of shoes? Let me know in the comments below.